Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about this waterfall braid. I did this braid in one of my videos, but it is slightly different and a lot of you girls were requesting a separate video on waterfall braid. So yeah, here I am. Let's just get into the video. I'm going to take a section of my hair and I'm going to split it into 3 strands. Let's say upper strand, middle strand and lower strand. I'm going to pass the lower strand over the middle strand, then I'm going to pass the upper strand over the middle strand, and then I'm just going to let down the middle strand. Now I'm going to add a strand from lower side and pass it over the middle strand, and then pass the upper strand over the middle strand, and I'm just going to let the middle strand down. Again, I'm going to add a strand from the lower side, pass it over the middle strand, then pass the upper strand over the middle strand and let the middle strand down. And I'm going to keep repeating it. आप इस वीडियो को स्लो करके भी देख सकते हैं, उस तरह आपको थोड़ा बेहतर तरीके से समझ आएगा. Now I'm just going to complete it like a regular braid. I'm going to take this braid at the back of my head and I'm going to roll it around. At the end you will see how it will turn out. I'm going to explain it again on the other side of my head. I'm going to take a section of my hair. I'll split it into 3 strands, upper, lower and middle. I'm going to pass the lower strand over the middle, then upper strand over the middle, and then I'm just going to let the middle strand down. Again, I'm going to pass the lower strand over the middle, then upper strand over the middle. I'm just going to let the previous middle strand down. If you're finding this difficult, just slow down the playback speed and watch it again. I'm sure you'll get it then. बहुत easy सी braid है, आराम से आ जाएगी. सिर्फ आपको एक step सीखना है and that's it. You have to keep repeating the same step. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe, do like and do share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.